The automotive world thrives on competition. It's a relentless arena where only the best survive, and every brand is constantly pushing the boundaries to outdo the other. In this high-stakes environment, innovation and excellence are not just goals, they are necessities. Yet amidst this fierce arena, Lexus stands apart. It's not just another name in the crowd, it's a beacon of what the automotive industry can achieve when it dares to dream big and execute flawlessly. It's a brand synonymous with meticulous craftsmanship. Every stitch, every curve, and every detail is a testament to the dedication and skill of the artisans who bring these vehicles to life. The interiors are not just designed, they are sculpted with precision and care. Lexus embodies a commitment to innovation. From cutting-edge technology to futuristic designs, the brand is always at the forefront of what's next. It's not just about keeping up with trends, it's about setting them. It offers an unparalleled ownership experience. From the moment you step into a Lexus dealership, you are treated to a level of service that is second to none. The relationship doesn't end when you drive off the lot, it's just the beginning of a journey marked by exceptional care and attention. This essay delves into the captivating story of Lexus. We'll trace its roots, explore its milestones, and understand the philosophy that has driven its success. It's a story of vision, perseverance, and an unwavering commitment to excellence. We'll explore its journey to becoming a true icon of luxury. From its humble beginnings to its current status as a global leader, Lexus has always been about more than just cars. It's about creating experiences that resonate with the soul. Lexus didn't set out to build just another car, it set out to create a masterpiece. The early models were a bold statement of intent, showcasing a blend of performance, luxury, and reliability that was unheard of at the time. It embarked on a mission to redefine what a luxury vehicle could be. This wasn't just about adding more features or using better materials, it was about rethinking the entire concept of what a car could offer. The goal was to redefine what a luxury vehicle could be. This meant rigorous testing, innovative design, and an unwavering focus on quality. Every Lexus vehicle is a result of countless hours of research, development, and fine-tuning. From its inception, Lexus has been driven by a singular philosophy. This guiding principle has shaped every decision, every design, and every innovation. It's a philosophy that prioritizes excellence above all else. This philosophy is known as the relentless pursuit of perfection. It's not just a slogan, it's a way of life for everyone involved with the brand. It's about never settling, always striving for better, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. It's evident in every aspect of the brand. From the assembly line to the showroom floor, the pursuit of perfection is a constant. It's a commitment that is visible in the quality of the vehicles and the satisfaction of the customers. This includes design, engineering, and customer service. Every element is meticulously crafted to ensure that it meets the highest standards. It's a holistic approach that ensures every Lexus vehicle is a masterpiece in its own right. Lexus understands that true luxury is about more than just opulent materials. It's about creating an experience that is seamless, intuitive, and deeply satisfying. It's about the little details that make a big difference. It's about the feeling evoked when behind the wheel, the sense of control, the smoothness of the ride, and the quiet confidence that comes from knowing you're driving one of the best vehicles on the road. It's about the confidence inspired by unparalleled reliability. Lexus vehicles are built to last, with a reputation for dependability that is second to none. Whether you're navigating city streets or tackling harsh weather conditions, you can trust your Lexus to perform flawlessly. And it's about the satisfaction of owning a vehicle that reflects discerning taste. A Lexus is more than just a car. It's a statement of style, sophistication, and success. It's a reflection of who you are and what you value. Join me as we explore the world of Lexus. We'll uncover the secrets behind its success, the innovations that set it apart, and the vision that continues to drive it forward. We'll uncover what makes this brand a true original in the automotive landscape. From its groundbreaking designs to its unwavering commitment to quality, Lexus is a brand that truly embodies the pursuit of perfection. To understand Lexus, one must first understand its parent company, Toyota. Toyota, a name synonymous with reliability and innovation, has a rich history that dates back to the early 20th century. Founded by Kiichiro Toyota, the company initially focused on producing affordable and dependable vehicles for the masses. Over the decades, Toyota's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction earned it a stellar reputation worldwide. Toyota has long been respected worldwide. Its vehicles are known for their durability, efficiency, and advanced engineering. From the bustling streets of Tokyo to the highways of America, Toyota cars have become a common sight, trusted by millions of drivers. It's known for its dependability and value. The brand has consistently received accolades for its reliability, often topping consumer satisfaction surveys and earning numerous awards for its engineering excellence. In the 1980s, Toyota saw a new opportunity. The global automotive landscape was evolving, and there was a growing demand for luxury vehicles that offered not just performance, but also unparalleled comfort and cutting-edge technology. They wanted to create a luxury brand that could compete with the best in the world. This was no small feat, as the luxury car market was dominated by established European brands like Mercedes-Benz, BMW, and Audi. This ambition led to the birth of Lexus. The name Lexus was chosen to evoke a sense of luxury and sophistication, and the brand was positioned to offer a new level of refinement and performance. The year was 1983. It was a time of economic growth and technological advancements, and Toyota was ready to embark on a bold new venture. A secret project was initiated within Toyota. This project was shrouded in mystery, with only a select group of engineers and designers aware of its true purpose. The project was codenamed Circle F. This codename reflected the project's goal: to create a flagship vehicle that would redefine the luxury car market. Its mission was to develop a flagship luxury sedan. This sedan would not only meet but exceed the expectations of the most discerning customers. This sedan would be capable of challenging the established European marques. The team studied the competition meticulously, analyzing every detail of the leading luxury cars of the time. The team was given an extraordinary degree of freedom. They were encouraged to think outside the box, to innovate, and to push the boundaries of automotive design and engineering. No expense was spared in their pursuit of automotive excellence. The project received substantial funding, allowing the team to utilize the latest technologies and materials. 6 years and over $1 billion later, the Lexus LS400 was unveiled. This was a momentous occasion, marking the culmination of years of hard work and dedication. It made its debut at the 1989 North American International Auto Show. The unveiling was met with great anticipation and excitement, as the automotive world eagerly awaited Toyota's entry into the luxury market. The LS400 was a revelation. It combined performance, luxury, and reliability in a way that had never been seen before. It boasted an all-new V8 engine. This engine was a marvel of engineering, delivering smooth and powerful performance. It had a meticulously crafted interior. Every detail, from the leather seats to the advanced sound system, was designed to provide the utmost in comfort and luxury, and it delivered an incredibly smooth and quiet ride. The LS400 set new standards for ride quality, with advanced suspension and noise reduction technologies. The automotive world took notice. Lexus had arrived. The LS400 was not just a new car, it was a statement. It signaled Toyota's commitment to excellence and its ability to compete with the best in the world. The success of the LS400 paved the way for Lexus to become a leading luxury brand, known for its innovation, quality, and customer satisfaction. The Lexus LS400 wasn't just a new car, it was a statement. When it first rolled off the production line, it marked a significant shift in the automotive world. This wasn't merely another luxury sedan, it was a bold declaration that Lexus was here to redefine what luxury meant in the automotive industry. It announced the arrival of a new player in the luxury car market. The unveiling of the LS400 at auto shows around the world was met with awe and admiration. Car enthusiasts and industry experts alike were captivated by its sleek design, advanced features, and the promise of unparalleled quality. The LS quickly gained a reputation for its exceptional quality. Every detail, from the meticulously crafted exterior to the luxurious interior, spoke volumes about Lexus's dedication to excellence. The smooth ride and quiet cabin set new standards in the industry, making it a favorite among discerning drivers. It was also praised for its impressive performance and luxurious amenities. The LS400 wasn't just about looks, it delivered on performance too. With a powerful engine and state-of-the-art suspension system, it offered a driving experience that was both exhilarating and comfortable. Inside, the cabin was a sanctuary of luxury, with features designed to pamper and delight. The LS became the benchmark for Lexus. It set a high standard that all subsequent models would strive to meet. The success of the LS 400 paved the way for Lexus to become a dominant force in the luxury car market, earning a reputation for reliability, innovation, and customer satisfaction. It exemplified the brand's commitment to craftsmanship and innovation. The attention to detail in the manufacturing process was evident in every aspect of the car. From the precision engineering to the high-quality materials used, the LS 400 was a testament to Lexus's dedication to creating vehicles that were not only beautiful, but also built to last. Over the years, the LS has undergone numerous transformations. Each new model brought with it advancements in technology, design, and performance. The evolution of the LS is a story of continuous improvement and innovation, with each generation building on the success of its predecessor. Each generation has built upon the success of its predecessor. From the early models that established Lexus's reputation to the latest versions that push the boundaries of luxury and performance, the LS has always been at the forefront of automotive excellence. The current LS continues to impress. With its cutting-edge technology, sophisticated design, and powerful performance, it remains a leader in the luxury car market. The latest model is a perfect blend of tradition and innovation, offering everything that made the original LS great, along with the latest advancements in automotive technology. It features a bold design. The striking front grille and sleek lines give the LS a commanding presence on the road. The exterior design is both elegant and aggressive, reflecting the car's blend of luxury and performance. It has a luxurious interior. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that exudes opulence. The finest materials, including premium leather and wood trim, are used throughout. The seats are designed for maximum comfort, with multiple adjustments and heating and cooling options. And it's packed with advanced technology. The LS is equipped with the latest in automotive technology, from a state-of-the-art infotainment system to advanced driver assistance features. The dashboard is a marvel of modern design, with a large touchscreen display and intuitive controls. The LS remains a flagship model for Lexus. It represents the pinnacle of what the brand has to offer, combining luxury, performance, and technology in a way that few other cars can match. The LS is a symbol of Lexus's commitment to excellence and innovation. It embodies the brand's unwavering pursuit of perfection. Every aspect of the LS, from its design to its performance, reflects Lexus's dedication to creating the best possible driving experience. The LS is more than just a car, it's a statement of what Lexus stands for. The LS is offered with a range of powertrain options. Whether you prefer the power and performance of a traditional gasoline engine or the efficiency and environmental benefits of a hybrid, there's an LS model to suit your needs. Each powertrain option is designed to deliver the best possible performance and fuel efficiency. This includes a fuel-efficient hybrid powertrain. The hybrid model offers the perfect balance of power and efficiency, with a smooth and quiet ride that's perfect for both city driving and long road trips. The hybrid system is designed to maximize fuel economy without sacrificing performance. It comes equipped with the latest safety and technology features. The LS is designed to keep you safe on the road, with a range of advanced safety features that help prevent accidents and protect you in the event of a collision. The technology features are equally impressive, offering everything from advanced navigation to a premium sound system. This includes Lexus Safety System Plus 2.5. This advanced safety suite includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. It's designed to make driving safer and more enjoyable, giving you peace of mind on every journey. It also has a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system. The large, high-resolution display makes it easy to access all of the car's features, from navigation to entertainment. The system is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, with voice control and smartphone integration. The LS provides a driving experience that is both exhilarating and serene. The powerful engine and advanced suspension system deliver a smooth and responsive ride, while the quiet cabin and luxurious interior create a serene and relaxing environment. Whether you're driving through the city or cruising on the highway, the LS offers a driving experience like no other. It's a testament to the Lexus commitment to innovation and refinement. The LS is a perfect example of what makes Lexus one of the leading luxury car brands in the world. It's a car that combines cutting-edge technology, exceptional performance, and unparalleled luxury in a way that few other cars can match. The LS is more than just a car. It's a statement of what Lexus stands for and a testament to the brand's unwavering commitment to excellence. While Lexus is renowned for its luxurious sedans, the brand also boasts an impressive lineage of performance vehicles. The Lexus F Mark represents the pinnacle of Lexus performance. It's dedicated to delivering exhilarating driving experiences. It all started with the Lexus ISF. The ISF was a high-performance variant of the Lexus IS sports sedan. It debuted in 2007. The ISF was powered by a 5.0-liter V8 engine. It produced 406 horsepower. It quickly gained a following among driving enthusiasts. It was praised for its responsive handling and muscular engine note. The success of the ISF paved the way for other F models. This includes the Lexus RCF Coupe and the Lexus GSF Sports Sedan. These vehicles offer a compelling combination of luxury, performance, and everyday usability. They showcase the breadth of Lexus's engineering capabilities. They demonstrate the brand's commitment to delivering vehicles that cater to a wide range of driving enthusiasts.